Good afternoon all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, June 8th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the S&P. I know I've been having trouble with the video, with the audio portion, working on it. I know it's through OBX, they had an update. So we've been trying different things. Hopefully this is a little better. My voice is also almost gone. Today was the first day of my seminar, having 3 traders from my room here today trading live. Really educational, really good day. The market was very accommodating and very readable. So we all had pretty nice days as we were trading on our they were trading on their laptops and I was trading here live. I didn't trade much in the afternoon, doing a lot more educating. But let's go over what's going on. First, let's go to NQ. So NQ attempted to go trend up today into their trend down day down from yesterday. And clearly I told the room and the guys that are here, one of these single prints are not going to hold. We're not going to hold trend up and trend down. Well, we took back the trend day up. However, on that pullback, turned out to be a beautiful long if you were trading NQ against half back and the afternoon pullback low as they went right back up to their POC. They go out with a poor high and they're still holding single prints from yesterday and it's an inside day. So that should be a very nice setup for tomorrow. Righty opens up, drives down, reverses, goes back up. We take out yesterday's low by a couple of ticks and then spend the entire day just basically trading age range. So they end up really with nothing to lean on and overlap into lower value. Now, ES and SPY. It's a bit of a conundrum what's going on here. The bulls are certainly in control on the monthly and the weekly. The daily is still in balance. Here's what I'm not thrilled about. Again, they could rectify this in a heartbeat, but we're going to see. So we've had, for the most part, Monday, Wednesday, today, lower highs, and Monday, Tuesday, and today, lower lows. So we failed at the balance high now, Wednesday and today. Balance low isn't until Friday, but we did make a lower low today. So what's concerning me is they're having trouble at the 4,300 level and at the balance high level. If we're able to take that out, we're going to go get August high from last year, which NQ has already gotten. I still have faith in the buyers that they're going to do it, but I don't like the fact that we keep stalling at this level. So tomorrow could be a very interesting day. If they get rejected up here, do we gap higher and blow through it? Do we gap lower and they're firmly rejected and we get Friday's low from last week? It all remains to be seen. We do go out with a trend day and a price probe. So I think it's going to be important if the bulls are going to rectify these highs that they can't get above. I'd like to open above L's high. I certainly want to open above the single prints because if we open below the price probe and below the single prints, well, I'm going to be a little worried if we take out today's low then. Things to keep in mind. As far as my trading, made 4.5 points in a period. On a short, basically, against the overnight high. Another 2 points in B when we got back below the opening for a little bit. Then I switched long. I was long, made money in C period on a long when we had the single prints. I took a short later in C against value high from yesterday, which worked that first time. And then in G period, looked for longs. Now, which paid. I did want to get long on a pullback here. Actually, I made money on a long in I too, but only small. I thought we had decent odds to go finally fill these single prints. So I was loaded for bear. I was loaded for the bears. I had a bid in at 81 with the single print fill, and at the time where value low was, which is around C's low or right above it. So I was looking to take a decent sized position there because I thought we would at least go back to say E's low if they had lowered POC. But that never came to be and they just grinded up. So that was my day. As far as destinations, Today's high of 429.60. We have three highs within 7 cents of each other. For today's low, we have our price probe 429.21. Single prints 427.70 to 46. And today's low of 425.82. NES, we have today's, I didn't write the price probe down. That's a downside destination. Price probe, well, I'm going to have to look at it. It was L's high. I thought I wrote it down somewhere. Give me 1 second. Yes, I did. Price probe, 98.75. Then today's singles of 83.25 to 81. Today's low of 64.50. And then today's high of 02.50. So we have three highs within 2 or 3 points of each other. And then just quickly on the chart, tomorrow, if I have a voice, I'll be recapping all of these indices charts tomorrow. So here's the daily. The monthly and weekly is still very healthy in the S&P, okay? But the daily is now in, again, I'm encompassing Friday, so it's a 5-day balance. However, if we do take out today's low, I think we're at least going to go test Friday's low. So for the Bulls, I think they need to get them a move on sooner rather than later and get through this balance high. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.